Hi, so this is a reply to a question I had on the Smode forum. So let's create a particle point, and the goal will be with a key here to change the direction of my particle system from point to my direction, sorry, from random to parallel. So first, let's add a little bit of speed on my particle system so we see the change. And now let's do a right click over this direction here and expose as percentage parameter. Now in my percentage parameter, I have two triggers, two value here. First parallel and at the end parallel also. Let's change the end value for random. Now what that means is I'm here in 0%, I'm in parallel. At 100%, I switch to random. So now let's do a right click on this percentage parameter and do a learn. And I will learn on my A key because I put my keyboard as a control device. And you see here, I have a true false key. And I say that it will act on my minimum maximum value of my percentage. So in this case, true will be 100% and false 0%. So now when I press A, I'm in true mode, so 100% on my percentage parameter, which means a random position. And when I'm in false, I'm in parallel position. So again, you can get this composition on the Smode forum. I will put a link in the description. See you.